the White House of Texas, a replica of the real White House in Washington, D.C. There's a certain kind of mansion that's popular in Texas. They're ornately detailed, extravagantly appointed, and classically styled. But this Texas mansion takes the cake. Not only is it all those things, but it goes one step further. This house bears a striking resemblance to the White House. Located in Preston Hollow, a ritzy suburb of Dallas, this $15 million mansion boasts exteriors that mirror those of the president's home. Both the Dallas White House, as it's known around town, and the real White House feature federal-style triangular north porticos, complete with 4 columns across, 8 columns total, as well as the same number of windows placed in the same fashion along the front. Meanwhile, the back of the dwelling shares the curved south portico with a second-floor deck. But the exterior is where the comparison stops. The current owners spent more than 2 years remodeling and reconfiguring the 16,000 square foot home, including changing the floor plan completely and relocating the master suite from the first floor to the second floor. Built in 1996, it has been on the market several times. The home sits on more than 3 acres of manicured land and comes equipped with antique fireplaces straight from France, an antique brick wine cellar, a fully equipped theater, and 6-car garage with 2 limo-length spaces.